we go into shot 4, our HubSpot sales feature of the week. We did allude to this previously, but you can now set the default lifecycle stage when a deal is created. I think we might have mentioned this last episode or just touched on it, but this is so popular now because a lot of companies, when they create a deal, they don't want them to be set as opportunity, which was previously was the default. Perhaps they're doing pre-qualification. They do want to create a deal. They actually just want it to be sales qualified. And then when it moves along a particular stage of the deal pipeline, then it becomes an opportunity. Well, you can set that now in the options lifecycle stages there. There's a whole lot more around lifecycle stages. You can create your custom lifecycle stages and things like that. I'm not going to talk about that in this episode, but I think this particular one is going to be very popular. I think a lot of people will set lifecycle stage to sales qualified lead when a deal's created rather than opportunity. I know, what's your thoughts? Your mileage may vary, I guess, but what's your thoughts on this one, Ian?
Yeah, totally. And I think it just depends on the business and how they run their sales process. But I think this is a great start in understanding or just setting the life cycle stage. Now, listeners, please note, and it says this everywhere, once the life cycle stage goes forward, it doesn't go backwards. So just be aware of that. You can change it manually, or you have to clear the property in a workflow before you set it if it does go backwards.